This nigga over here snoring. He done laid the other way. Brother right there. Knocked out. Sound like an old man.